Please do start.
सफिशिएंट टाइम लीजिए, बड़े आराम से धीरे धीरे सब चीज को एक्सप्लेन कीजिए, कोई जल्दी नहीं है हमको।
So, presenting the real life example of the effective decision making. Unity is the power. एकता में ही शक्ति है। ये फ्रेज हमने कई बार अपने स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस, वर्क प्लेस में भी सुना है और हम इसमें बिलीव भी करते हैं कि अगर कोई काम एक साथ मिलकर किया जाए तो वो जरूर सक्सेसफुल होता है। And today I am going to tell you a story. The story of the India's biggest FMG company. The story of the ninth largest dairy brand. The story of the longest running ad campaign owned by more than 3.6 million farmers. The story of that started more than 75 years ago as a national movement with a mission to stop the exploitations of the farmer. And this is the story of the Amul, the taste of the India. Good afternoon, everyone. Introducing my team, and this is Priya Modi introducing myself as a group leader, and Mr. Jayesh Lalwani, Mr. Rahul Agarwal, Mr. Shiv Shankar, Mr. Ramendra Pratap Singh, introducing them as my group member as well as my friends. Thank you, friends, for being listening me. Now my friend will continue.
Hi, myself रामेंद्र प्रताप सिंह। पहले एक शायरी बोल के शुरू करूंगा। ना संघर्ष ना तकलीफें, ना संघर्ष ना तकलीफें, क्या है मजा फिर जीने में, तूफान भी थम जाएगा अगर लक्ष्य होगा सीने में। Hi, myself Ramin Pratap Singh from Group 3 is here to present my topic, history about Amul. Amul Cooperative was registered on 19 December 1946 as a response to the exploitation of marginal milk producers by the traders and agents in the small cities. The prices of milk were arbitrarily determined at the time. The government had given Paulson an effective monopoly of milk collection from Kaira and its subsequent supply to Mumbai. Angered by the unfair trade practices, the farmers of Kaira approached Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel under the leadership of a local farmer leader, Tirubhuvan Das K. Patel. He advised them to form a cooperative, Kaira District Cooperative Milk Producers Union, and supply milk directly to the Bombay Milk Scheme instead of Paulson, who did the same but gave them the low prices. He sent Morarji Desai to organize the farmers. In 1946, the milk farmers of the area went on a strike, which led to the setting up of a cooperative to collect and process milk. Milk collection was decentralized as most of the producers were marginal farmers who could deliver at most 1 or 2 liters of milk per day. Cooperatives were formed for each village too. By June 1948, the KDC-MPUL had started pasteurizing milk for the Bombay Milk Scheme. Then Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri visited Anand to inaugurate Amul's cattle feed factory on October 31st, 1964, and spent a night in village and spoke to farmers about their cooperative. And after returning to Delhi, he set in motion the creation of an organization. Organization, the National Dairy Development Board, NDDB, to replicate the Kaira's cooperative in other parts of India. Under the selfless leadership of Tirubhuvan Das Patel, Amul celebrated its 25th anniversary with Morarji Desai, Maniben Patel, and Verghese Kurin. The cooperative was further developed and managed by Dr. Verghese Kurin, known as the father of white revolution in India, with H.M. Dalia. Dalia's innovation of making skim milk powder from buffalo milk was a technological breakthrough that revolutionized India's organized dairy industry. With Kurin's help, the process was expanded on a commercial scale, which led to the first modern dairy of the cooperative at Anand. This cooperative would go on to compete against established players in the market. Now my friend Jayesh will tell his topic. Thank you.
Jayesh, unmute yourself.
Sorry, sir. Sir, I'll myself Jayesh, and I will be talking about the brand element of Amul, which was the Amul logo, and the tagline was "A taste of India." So the jingle was utterly delicious Amul, and the mascot, as we all know, was the Amul girl. So the Amul mascot, the Amul Moped, has been the mascot of Amul since 1967, sporting a young girl in red polka dot frock with utterly delicious jingle. So the next slide, I will ask my coordinator to get into the next slide. So now my friend Rahul will continue.
Rahul, please unmute.
Unmute, yes. Unmute, sir.
Yes, please continue.
थैंक यू जयेश। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने कहा था आपदा को अवसर में बदलें। सर नो पीपीटी।
Yes, PPT is visible.
हमारे प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने कहा था आपदा को अवसर में बदलें। So let's talk about how Amul handled the lockdown situation. Ever wondered how Amul kept itself afloat during the lockdown when every other FMCG business organization was left scrambling? As strange it sounds, Amul took the leeway and enhanced its marketing strategy after the pandemic, introduced lockdown instead of choosing to drown when the high tide was hit. But how did Amul manage to escape and turn double its expense on marketing strategies when all else was going downhill? The folks at Amul were very smartly able to turn this challenge into an opportunity. Let's have a look at it. The country witnessed a turning point like no other on March 25, 2020, when a nationwide lockdown was imposed. What sounded like trouble in its early phase turned out not to be more than an havoc amongst the local population split in the streets. State ambiguity filled the hearts of many amidst the unrest. Another concern give the country with restriction on movement. People have no resort but to eat home cooked meal, which resulted in an expected surge in demand of grocery products and government items that were otherwise often found few takers. This is where the breaking point occurred. The demand exceeded the supply. Amul cheese, Tetra Pak milk, paneer, and butter products saw an incredible surge of up to 30 to 40% rise in demand in the very first quarter of 2020, most of which can undeniably be credited to change in consumers' buying behavior during the lockdown. Demand for the packaged food increased a lot more than fresh ingredients, and where packaged products come into picture, Amul boasted a 75 year of experience and legacy, helps its position to intact. Most of us are unaware of the fact that the dairy in the livelihood of as many as 100 million rural families, and Amul had to ensure the consumers continue buy dairy products so that it could give back the farmers. To make the work, the company incentivized all of its supply chain in order to maintain a smooth running network of the supply chain all through the period of disruption. Dr. R. Sodhi, managing director of Amul, said that the company gave 11,000 crores to its farmer during the 80 days of lockdown. Thank you, sir. Now my friend Shiv will continue.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes.
Thanks, Rao. Sir, myself, Shiv Shankar. I would like to continue the same. I would like to talk about the portfolio of Amul. It is rightly said, Amul Doodh Pita Hai India. Amul means priceless in Sanskrit. The brand name Amul from the Sanskrit Amulya was suggested by quality control expert in Anand. Amul products have been in use in millions of homes since 1946. Amul butter, Amul milk powder, Amul ghee, Amul spray, Amul cheese, Amul chocolates, Amul Srikanand, Srikhand, Amul ice cream, Nutramul, Amul milk, and Amulya have made Amul a leading food brand in India. Today, Amul is a symbol of many things. of high quality products sold at reasonable prices, of the genesis of a vast cooperative network, the trump of indigenous technology, of marketing savvy of a farmers organization, and of a proven model for dairy development in the context of decision technique models targeted four major Amul products, that is Amul milk, Amul butter, Amul ice cream, and Amul chocolates. A critical study has been made on these products where close analysis of its demand pattern, supply and distribution methods, transportation model, and the variations in competition, etc. is done. Each product exhibits different patterns and behavior in the techniques and models applied. Close comparison has been made for all the four products, and we have tried to draw analysis based on the facts and figures that were available to us. uh, Transportation model. Amul follows a distinctive transportation model as far as its transportation is concerned. The major units of Amul are located in Gujarat. Major distribution hubs are located in and around the periphery of production units. So, looking all these things, we can definitely say that Amul is the brand that we seek for, that we look for. This is something which each and every child knows, which each and every child has in the mouth. So I think this is uncomparable. Now, my friend Pia will continue the same. I'd like to hand over the same. So,
एफिशिएंट सप्लाई चेन, इनका जो मिल्क प्रोक्यूरमेंट से लेके मिल्क सप्लाई तक का जो चेन है वो बहुत ही फास्ट एंड एफिशिएंट है, क्योंकि ये सबसे पहले विलेज लेवल पे जाके छोटे से छोटे और बड़े से बड़े फार्मर से मिल्क प्रोक्यूर करते हैं और उसी लेवल पे इसे प्रोसेस करते हैं और फिर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, और फिर आते हैं ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे जहां वो मिल्क की और फर्दर प्रोसेसिंग करते हैं और फिर से इसे डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे ही डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, और फिर बाकी बचा हुआ सारा मिल्क वो सारे स्टेट लेवल पे ट्रांसफर करते हैं जहां पर मिल्क से कई सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए जाते हैं। और ये तो हम सब जानते हैं कि एक सक्सेसफुल कंपनी के पीछे एक महान इंसान की महान स्टोरी होती है। So I will request my friend Rahul will tell about the founders of the Amul.
Thank you, Priya. Amul Foundation. Dr. Varghese Kurian, founder chairman of GCMMF for more than 30 years, is credited with the success of Amul. Amul products are now available in more than 60 countries in the world. Amul, Anand Milk Union Limited. Amul stands for Anand Milk Union Limited. It is a milk product cooperative dairy company based in a small town of Anand in Gujarat state of India. Kyra Union introduced the brand Amul or Precious. In the subsequent years, Amul made cheese and baby food on a large commercial scale, again processing buffalo milk, creating a history in the world. Amul was formed as a part of cooperative movement against Paulson Dairy in Anand, Gujarat, which procured milk from local farmers of Kaira district at a very low rate price and sold it to the Bombay government. Everyone except the farmers benefited from its trade. Amul Tetra Pak milk pack is always safe. Amul milk before reaching to the consumer goes through various process and quality check. Pasteurization is one of the process which makes milk safe for consumption. Thank you. Now my friend Jayesh will continue.
Thank you, Rahul. I'm waiting for my slide to come. Sir, I will be talking about the Amul Girl, the famous mascot. Amul Girl refers to the advertising mascot used by Amul, an Indian dairy brand. The Amul Girl is a hand-drawn cartoon of a young girl dressed in a polka-dotted frock with blue hair and half pony tied up. The Amul Girl advertising has been described as one of the best Indian advertising concepts because of its humor. Now we'll so its origin. I will talk about origin. The Amul Girl was created as a response to the Amul's rival brand Paulson's Butter Girl. The idea was conceived in 1967 once ASP, that is Advertising Sales Promotion, clinched the brand portfolio from the famous previous agency FCB Pulka. It was executed by Mr. Sylvester Da Cunha, the owner of the agency, and his art director Eustace Fernandez on hoardings, painted bus panels, and posters in Mumbai. The mascot since then has been mobilized to comment on many events of national and political importance, like emergency in India in 1976. Next slide, please.
You are done, Jayesh.
Yes, now my friend Ramendra will continue.
Thank you, Jayesh. I will talk about import and export of milk. Before this period, आप जानते हैं कि before this period, आप जानते हैं कि ये इंडिया, हमारा जो कंट्री इंडिया थी, वो एक मिल्क डेफिशिएंट कंट्री हुआ करती थी, जिसके वजह से हमें बहुत सी बाहर सी कंट्रियों से मिल्क लेना पड़ता था, जैसे न्यूजीलैंड एक्सेट्रा. लेकिन आज इंडिया पूरे वर्ल्ड में वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मिल्क है. एंड इवन आज के डेट में इंडिया कई सारी कंट्रीज को मिल्क एक्सपोर्ट भी करती है, जिसका मेन रीजन हम अमूल को देंगे. थैंक यू. अब मेरा फ्रेंड शिव विल कंक्लूड द टॉपिक. थैंक यू.
I would like to conclude the topic by saying few points, telling few points which I feel Amul is a very big organization and market leader in dairy products. That's all. Everyone knows. It has maximum market share in milk, butter, and cheese, which are its core product. But industry is also a profitable industry, as we have seen in this lockdown, and the company cannot ignore it. With the help of research, company can find out the weak points in herd and can increase to rectify mistakes.
Sir, I just want to thank you on my behalf of my group.
I'd like to end up here.
Yes, Priya, continue.
Thank you, sir.
I just want to thank you, sir, on the behalf of my group for giving us an opportunity to show an example, a real life example of the efficient decision making. Thank you, sir.
Great.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Great. Yes, Sonali ji, please continue.
Yes, so the judges are Parasnath and Chandan.
Parasnath. Parasnath and
Chandan.
Chandan. एक मिनट. चंदन सिंह.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I personally like the topic they chose. Individually, Ramendra, I like the Sairi Ramendra said at the starting of the presentation. Rahul, it was good how Rahul connected a situation during lockdown. And there was a little lack of synergy between them, but all over, अच्छी तरह उन्होंने present किया है. Well done by leader and the group. Good one.
How was the presentation, sir?
Thank you so much.
कैसा रहा प्रेजेंटेशन? किसने किसने क्या गलती की, वो सब चीज बताइए.
Sir, there
कहाँ
was a lack of
इम्प्रूवमेंट की
synergy.
जरूरत है, एक एक पॉइंट बताना है आपको.
Sir, there was a lack of synergy between them. The movement of slides were not compatible with them. They were asking for them to change the
Okay.
slides. It was
Yes.
not good to see live. They can work
Sir,
on
I
that.
was waiting for the participant to change. Sorry.
Right.
मैं एकदम चौकन्ना था, but उन्हें लगा कि change नहीं होगा. That was the issue.
दी पारसनाथ जी.
Otherwise, I was prepared.
पारसनाथ जी, आपके कमेंट्स.
Any other comment?
अनम्यूट करिए।
अनम्यूट है सर।
हाँ तो बोलिए ना।
शिव शंकर जी ने अच्छे से रिप्रेजेंट किए।
जी
जिस आधार पे प्रेजेंटेशन बनाए हुए थे उस तरह से उन्होंने अपने से रिप्रेजेंट अच्छे तरह से किए, और जिस तरह से स्लाइड उनका बनाया हुआ था उस तरह से कंटिन्यूटी अपने अनुसार किए और अच्छी तरह से रिप्रेजेंट किए। दैट्स थैंक यू सर।
गुड गुड गुड। और कौन बताना
Thank you,
चाहेगा?
Parashna.
कोई भी 2 लोगों से और लीजिए। हमको 3:30 15 मिनट और कंज्यूम करने
Please
हैं।
do.
और किसी भी रैंडमली किसी को बुलाइए उनके फीडबैक के लिए। एक पार्टिसिपेंट एक प्रेजेंटर के फीडबैक के बारे में फीडबैक देंगे। जी शरद जी आप आइए। शरद जी आप बताइए कैसा रहा, कहाँ पर कमी हुई, क्योंकि हम अभी कमियों पर ध्यान देना चाहते हैं, कहाँ पर और इम्प्रूवमेंट किया जा सकता, बताइए।
सर कि जब भी बोल रहे थे ना तो आंखों को ना सामने रखना था, मतलब ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि हम डायरेक्ट पढ़ रहे हैं, ऐसा लगना चाहिए स्टोरी बता रहे हो, ऐसा लगना चाहिए था। ये थोड़ी सी कमी हो गई थी।
जी शरद जी आप बताएं।
सर मैं ये बोल रहा था कि
आपका
जो
आवाज नहीं आ
बोल
रहा है,
रहे हैं
ईयरफोन
तो
लगाइए,
आंखों को ना
ईयरफोन।
हेलो आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही है, आ रही है।
सर मैं बोला था प्रेजेंटेशन तो अच्छा दिया, लेकिन आपको ना